How to flip your class in 4 simple steps. Format, interact, reflect, and extend. Step 4, extend. In this step, we will cover creating groups, differentiating activities, and class management. Part 1, creating groups. You'll have 2 different types of groups: the group that is ready to apply and the group that needs extra support. Ready to apply is for students that demonstrate a basic understanding of the information and are ready to practice and apply. Extra support are for students that demonstrate that they are still struggling with the content and need more support and review. Part 2, differentiating activities. You might have individual, group, or teacher-led. For individual, in your Ready to Apply group, this could be online investigation, a news article for real-life connection, practice problems that are more challenging, and hands-on experiments. In your Need to Support group, this could be a guided reading, an online review game like Quizlet, Quizzes, or Kahoot, or a graphic organizer. If you're having groups, the Ready to Apply group could do an online investigation, a hands-on activity, a jigsaw activity of a higher level text that ends in a presentation. Your Need Support group could also do a jigsaw activity, but of a lower text where they have to explain their section to the group. You can also do a Quizlet Live, and you can divide up keywords and have each person explain it to the group. The Ready to Apply group could do a challenging online investigation with you. You could have a more in-depth discussion about the topic, give them a challenging piece of text to extend their learning, or have a deeper level of thinking using depth and complexity icons. In the Need Support group, you could break down all the key ideas with extra examples. You could give them guided practice, do a demonstration, or you could lead them in a guided reading with discussions for each section. Part 3, classroom management. With classroom management, keep in mind you need clear expectations, easy to follow directions, and embrace the chaos. Set clear expectations. What should the students be doing? Sometimes I have this projected on the wall so they can easily see what they are supposed to be doing during this time. What should students do if they need help? For me, I have them ask 3 other people before they ask me. And when they ask me, they need to put it on like a Post-it note or a piece of paper with their question, and that way I can come and get to them when I have the time. So they know to first ask 3 other people before they ask me, and that I will come and help them as soon as possible. Most of the time I find that they can get their questions answered by the other groups or the other people who are doing the exact same activity. And then how are they held accountable? Always make sure they have to have something to turn in at the end. This will help to keep them focused. Easy to follow instructions. Make the instructions short and to the point. Sometimes really lengthy, long instructions are just too much, right? They read the first part and then they don't read the rest. So use bullet points, break it down, make it so that it's easy to read. Simple. Sometimes I also use pictures with it so they can get a clear idea of what that step is supposed to look like. Embrace the chaos. Remember, you're going to have a whole bunch of different things going on at the same time. Sound is okay. You should hear a lot of discussions, especially if students are working in groups or if they're supposed to be having conversations, they need help. Sound is okay. You want to hear sound. And there is definitely a difference between sound from students who are on task and sound from students who are just socializing. Let the students struggle. Let them problem solve. Don't take that away from them. It's okay for them to sit with the problem for a short amount of time. We don't want them to struggle so much that, they give up. But sitting there for a few minutes trying to problem solve is actually healthy and good for them. Release control. I know a lot of people, when they first start doing flipped lessons and activities where they're differentiating, where they have different things going on, it freaks them out. They're so used to having everyone doing the same thing that it's very uncomfortable. That's okay. Release the control. You will find that it's actually a more engaging lesson and class when you are working with small groups and other groups are off on their own, but they're all learning and they're all doing what they need to do at their level. It's actually a much better lesson. So go ahead, embrace the chaos, and let go of control. How to flip your class. Step 4, extend. Click the link below for more information and an ebook to help you get started. Thank you for watching another Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond videos. For more ideas on how to incorporate science, technology, and skills for life into your classroom, go to adventuresinistem.com.